So good day mga ka-backyard. So ngayong araw, na-receive natin yung pinadala sa atin ng Envirolight Solution Philippines. So tara, i-unbox na natin. So kakatapos lang natin mag-unboxing. So ano nga ba ang pinadala sa atin ng Envirolight Solution Philippines?
A&K is an all-in-one protection for our pets, so it kills 99.99% of germs, viruses, and fungi. It is safe to apply, and it is ideal for cleaning our pens, feeding stations, and living spaces. It is safe to spray, and it is non-irritating and effective for a healthier environment. It is made from natural disinfectants and perfect for our sensitive pets.
Maraming salamat Envirolight Solution Philippines at lalong-lalo na kay Ma'am Mary Rose. So, maraming salamat po.